Do you know how much REM sleep you need each day? Well, this is an important question which many people do not have an answer to. Therefore, you must pay great attention so you can fully understand in detail what you need to know. I am George Andreas, the Executive Director of Geriatric Care and Vulnerable Support Initiative, and a certified health and wellness practitioner by the United States Institute of Wellness. In this video, I will be discussing the various theories and physiology of sleep. This is part 2 of the video on how lack or insufficient sleep can cause some damaging impacts on the human brain and their overall health outcomes. Rapid eye movement or REM sleep period is a very important moment in the sleep cycle. Infants and children who are undergoing rapid growth and development require more REM sleep of about 8 hours each day, as opposed to adults who may require an average of 2 hours of REM sleep per day. Just like humans, other phylums in the animal kingdom spend a greater chunk of their sleep time in REM when they are infants than they do as adults. Certain animals like horses and elephants get less REM sleep, while cats, ferrets, and platypuses may spend up to 8 hours in REM sleep each day. Sleep durations are altered by the body based on biological and energetic needs every day, and throughout the course of life. Hence, the time spent in each stage of the sleep cycle, including REM, is a function of the individual's body needs. The theories of sleep. Sleep is a reversible phase of diminished responsiveness in both motor and metabolic activities. The concept of sleep is very complex, and so is its purpose. Therefore, so many theories have been postulated to address these complexities. We will briefly examine some of these theories. Number 1 is the survival theory. The survival theory postulated that humans are diurnal in nature, meaning that they are creatures of the day. They are awake during the day because there is better vision and fewer predators to harm them. The theory of survival emphasizes more on human safety and its overall protection from possible dangers in their environment. Humans are regarded as day creatures, hence they can make use of their sights and better protect themselves during the day than at night. This explains why people tend to fortify the protection and safety of their dwellings where they pass the night, since they believe that during sleep hours they wouldn't be fully in charge of their safety and security. Number 2, the theory of restoration. The theory of restoration emphasizes that humans are exhaustive in nature and therefore need time to replenish or revitalize wasted energy through the process of healing and repair of worn-out tissues. The reparative process includes the different metabolic functions going on in the brain, such as reorganization, consolidation, and storage of memories, data, and statistics acquired in the previous day. The theory of restoration equally insists that sleep is a natural protective mechanism against stress. Hence, it postulates that sleep is one of the ways by which the body checkmates its own activities, and by so doing prevents the catastrophic breakdown of its routine physiological functions. Number 3, the theory of growth. The theory of growth seriously believes that certain metabolic activities that occur when individuals are asleep promote human growth and development. The theory of growth postulated that the hypothalamus, through the efferent nerve endings, will stimulate the anterior pituitary gland to release growth hormone, thereby impacting the overall growth and developmental processes of humans. These 3 theories of sleep further broaden the human horizon in understanding the very significant role that sleep plays in stabilizing the human psychophysiological functions, and how any interruption in the sleep cycle can create far-reaching mental and somatic dysfunctions. The physiology of sleep. Humans are diurnal beings by nature, and that makes them awake by the day, energetic and alert physically and mentally to engage themselves and their environment. Circadian rhythm is the driving force behind the human characteristic of sleep, to replenish and revitalize, and to wake to spend energy through physical and mental activities. What then is circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm is the regular recurrence in cycle of about 24 hours of biological processes or activities, like sensitivity to drug or environmental and physiological, including light stimuli. Circadian rhythm and man's diurnal nature exert their pressure on the suprachiasmatic nucleus within the hypothalamus and use signals from the eyes to establish and maintain a biological clock, thereby releasing norepinephrine, which stimulates the pineal gland to secrete melatonin. Then sleep eventually follows. During this time, there is reduced brain response to stimuli, reduced breathing, heart rates, and blood pressure at the NREM stage 1 and NREM stage 3. The circadian rhythm equally influences the secretion of nocturnal hormones like prolactin, testosterone, and growth hormone. That brings us to the concept of sleep architecture. I know you would be wondering what sleep architecture truly means. Do not worry yourself, I will explain that in a minute. Sleep architecture is known as the cycle and stages that an individual experiences at night, which is better explained with a graph produced by an EEG called a hypnogram. Another important question to ask is how long to attain a standard sleep cycle. According to the National Sleep Foundation, a full sleep cycle is generally estimated to be about 90 minutes long. I hope this video has improved your knowledge on the various theories and physiology of sleep, and the ways these theories contribute towards a better understanding of the concept and the physiology of sleep. If this video has richly improved your knowledge about sleep, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow us for more enlightened content, and see you in our next video.